Alright, we're gonna Matco 88. We're gonna break the Matco 88. I have no idea how it's gonna fare. I've broken one of these. To be honest with you, right here doesn't look as good as the snap-on, just because it has this this ring right here. I do like this ratchet though, but we're gonna try to break it. Not try to, we're going to. So right here you take your bets. I talk a lot in a lot of my videos. We're not going to talk too much in this video. So right now I give you your time. It's going to break. I don't know what part's going to break. It's going to break. So let's break it. Whole weight. Let's do the whole weight. Holds the whole weight. I'm on the whole weight. Now, let's see where it breaks. I heard something crack right now. Just like I said, rebuildable at this time. That took, I would say, a little bit less than the snap-on. Little bit less. Barely. You can see everything in there, actually. That took less. Little bit less than the snap-on. It still took quite a bit of. And still, I still like this. This is still professional in my view. Because it broke right there. So, anyways, it's rebuildable. I like this ratchet. Still good in my opinion. I put over 250 pounds on that for sure. So, Matco 88. That's what snaps off. I don't know, man. Doesn't look the greatest to me. Let's make sure it's warrantyable. It should be good though. I've used this for plenty of situations. Definitely looks a little bit softer. I like this ratchet, but it took a little less than the snap-on. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.